I have a 2006 model Mitsubishi Triton ML 3.2 diesel. This is the transfer case mount. The rubber in it has broken off completely. This is a new replacement, so I'll take the old one out and replace it with this new one. It will appear the smallest number of bolts I have to remove is 1, 2 on the side and 3 on the bottom. If that fails, then I have to remove this 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on top here in order to take the whole bracket out, which I want to avoid. So we'll try the simple approach first. Once I unloosen this, I have to put a jack to support this transfer case. I think I have to take this first bottom bolt off first before I can reach the second one on top. No other way. One bolt out. Second bolt off. See, they don't make it easy. That's it. That's it. It's out. I actually don't think I need to support it. Well, because it wasn't being supported anyway, because this thing is so torn up. Look at that. So now I have to take this off. You see how broken it is? Just another view to how bad the existing transfer case mount is. Look at that. The rubber's completely broken off. So it wasn't supporting, absorbing anything. Look at that. I can't understand this design, it's so weak. So I have to take this bolt off. It's a bit stiff, so I'm gonna spray some Penetrine to the top of the screw of the bolt. I don't want to break it. Okay, the last effort, I'm going to clamp this like that. And then I think I can open it. Yup. Yup. Okay, thank goodness it came out easy. Look at that. I'm just gonna keep that in that position and get the new one. Here's the new one. The new replacement is an original Mitsubishi part. So I just want to make sure I get the orientation correct. There, I think it's in the right orientation. There you go. Look at that, that's completely broken through. But having said that, that's very thin walls. It's not actually supporting any weight. It's just absorbing some vibrations. And I don't think this needs to be very tight. So that's the new part replacement. That's the old one. Okay, let's reassemble this new part. I can't tighten this until it's in position so that it swivels in the right position. I'm going to fix the two bolts first. That doesn't look like there's any actual Loctite on it. It'd be a nightmare to have Loctite on it because I have to take it out again. It would be such a difficult thing to do with Loctite in this awkward position. They certainly don't make things easy to get at in cars. think that's tight enough. First bolt in, second bolt to go. Okay, I think the second bolt is good. Don't want to over tighten and break something. Right, the third bolt. I think this lip here needs to come under that so it catches it and stops it rotating. That tells me how far to crank down on the bolt, on the nut. Okay, I think that's it. Mustn't overdo it. Now to tighten these. That's what these excess holes are for. I don't think it needs to be extremely tight. There's a spring washer here. That's it. I think it's good. Done. Beautiful job. I'm happy with this job. Well done. New part replaced. So there was the excess holes to tighten that last nut and bolt assembly. That's what it looks like. And those were the two bolts inside that I had to tighten first. So I'm glad it's not a difficult job. Just 3 bolts. But I do find this strange because it's just a very thin wall rubber, so it's definitely not taking any weight. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, how I replaced this Mitsubishi Triton 3.2 liter ml transfer case mount support. Do hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Thank you so much.